Welcome to a 123 Dream tutorial. Today we will show you how to make a hair towel wrap step by step. We're going to need microfiber cloth or towel, elastic, a bottom, scissors, pins, thread, needles for microfiber, your sewing machine, and a pattern you can find on our official website 123dreamed.com. The first thing we will do is assemble our patterns, as indicated in the downloadable guide sheet on our website. Let's join the fabrics right with right side and extend it on a flat surface. Place your pattern aligning the pattern thread with the thread fabric. Hold the pattern with pins and cut the fabric. If the fabric is thick, cut one piece at a time. Remember to pass the marks or notches to the fabric to locate the elastic, the bottom, and one more notch to align the seams so they do not fade. Cut 4 inches of elastic. Fold the elastic in half and place in the mark that corresponds to the right of the fabric. Pass a straight seam very close to the seam allowance to fix the elastic. Place the piece marked with the number 1 straight and sew around the edge at 0.4 inches. Remember to bind off at the beginning and the end of each seam. When finished, you will have the elastic free for the right of the piece. If the fabric is fraying, we recommend overlocking or overcasting all the edges of the piece. After the overcast stitching is finished, turn the piece over to the right and mark 0.4 inches from the bottom edge. Sew the bottom counter hem with a straight stitch. Now, place the bottom in the union seam. Guide yourself by the notch of the seam that you marked at the beginning. We're going to use the bottom presser foot. Make the necessary adjustments to the tension and stitch width on your machine. Raise and lower the needle manually. This way, you make sure that the needle does not hit any of the bottom edges. When finished, tie a couple knots on the back of the garment to secure the bottom. Don't worry if you don't have this accessory, you can sew the bottom by hand. And that's how we get an efficient, ready-to-use hair towel wrap. Thanks for watching! We invite you to share the result in your profile of 123dreamed.com, where you can find thousands of sewing hacks and step-by-step tutorials.